Holy shit, guys, it's not good. Good morning, guys, and welcome back in my shed. I'm still busy on the BMW R1200GS. And what are we going to do today? Well, today I have a very easy job to show, and that's how to put new oil into your end drive. The first thing we're gonna do, take this fender off. That's easy. Torx 30. Then let's take my little okay. Bakje, a long one. This is a show you. No. Okay, then over here is another one hidden. Up. Yes, that one, over here, this one, and then we can take it off. Then, guys, we have two bigger Torx bolts. Torx 45. Be sure that you can get all the way in with your Torx bit. That's one, and go up. That's two. Okay. And on this bolt is also attached the bracket. Not sure how you call it. So then we have to squeeze. Yes. And now let's see. Guys, the brake pads are in good condition. Yep, no problem. So, and to have really good camera views, I'm gonna remove the rear wheel. Later on we're gonna see how the splines are in here. So then we have to take off the rear wheel anyway. And that's for the GS very easy. Come on over and we start. The rear wheel is attached with 5 bolts. And they are tightened with 60 Newton meters, so that's not that really tight. I have my power tool. It's deep enough. Yes, my power tool. Oh. Holy shit. Nope. Nope. Not. So we're gonna see how tight the previous mechanic put those bolts back in. Remember, 60 Newton meters. And this one. This device I can use, so then I can see how tight it was. I think it's way over tightened. So I'm gonna put my machine on, put it to, this is trace. We're gonna put it in gear. Up. And now we're gonna see. So it should be torqued with 60, so the break loose torque is a bit higher. Holy shit, guys, it's not good. Watch. Hopefully you can see it. It's almost 87 Newton meters. They rattled it with a tool like this. Just okay. Now I'm sure the rest is also at that peak power. So I'm gonna put it. Okay. Oops. This one. Then. And this was 58. What the hell? Here, watch. 58. So, in the world. So, but now guys, the first thing we're gonna do is clean the inside of that filler plug. So my tool, as I can see, this is an Allen instead of a, ooh, you need an extended one maybe. Let's see. Nope, it's 6. I have a long Allen, and hopefully it doesn't flex too much. Don't think up. You have to give it a real smackety smack. Hop. Okay, there is the also the copper washer. Hop. Here we got it. Copper washer. This is the bolt. Okay. Then we go to the other side. Now guys, bakje filler plug. Then we go underneath here. Is that easy? Very easy. Over here is the drain plug. And that's, I'm not sure, maybe there's more, not by far. Old mechanic. Wait a minute. Yes, it's 45. Be sure your tool gets all the way in. So maybe we can quickly first clean it a bit. Yes. Then there is not much oil in there. About 170, 180 milliliters. Let's see if it goes in deep. Yep. Then so I think it was also way too tight, but it was not that difficult. There he goes. I'm curious what the oil is that comes out here. There he goes. 1, 2, 3, up. This is a magnet, so I'm gonna clean to see. Oh, guys. Yeah, actually it's never up to my standard. Can't help it. Clean too. Not sure if that was enough, but gonna clean that too. It's quite filthy, but these are microscopic shavings. So then there is quite a bit in there, so the previous mechanic didn't clean it. No, but I do. Wait a minute, what's over there? Wait, see. Ah, no. These are just a lot of, yeah, it's almost powder. So that's good. But guys, almost there. Just yes. Oh no, I say yes, but I always continue. Make it really clean. Clean machine. Got all the time in the world. And when you do it, take your time. Up. Yes. See, now it's cleaned on the inside. That's the way I like it. Inspect your O-ring for cracks. Oh, this looks absolutely good. Look inside. Nope, a bit rust or tiny bit of rust. Here now anyway. Yeah. Yes. Also watch. Clean this also. Yeah. Now. That oil is also onto the gears, so it's good always to turn it a bit, so it also drops. It is, I'm not sure if this is enough, guys. Watch. This is all that came out, although it's 180. See? No, goes a bit quicker. Guys, before we gonna lower the end gear, we let it drip for a while. I leave it, I think, overnight. As there is a lot of other things to do on this bike, so I can move on.